Okay, videos. All right. So, what is leading from the middle all about? Well, we'll be discussing moving from doer to thinker. Every organization has both. The question is, which are you? I always visualize this, a chicken leading from the front or a duck guiding from the back. And what mindset do you think you need? Great managers communicate with clarity. They influence without relying on authority. They build trust. They coach instead of simply directing. They think strategically instead of reacting. They handle difficult conversations, give meaningful feedback, and settle setbacks. They lead both upwards, downwards, sideways, basically 360. In today's organizations, strategy is everywhere, but execution is where success is won or lost. And execution lives in the middle. This program focuses on the critical role of middle leader, the one who turns big ideas into real-world results. Senior leaders speak in vision, teams operate in day-to-day realities. The middle leader bridges that gap, translating ambition into clear, actionable direction, not just defining what needs to be done, but making sure people understand why it matters, what it looks like in practice, and what success actually feels like on the ground. Because when meaning is lost in the middle, momentum is lost everywhere. My goal is simple. When people leave the room, I want them to walk back into work on Monday with ideas they can use immediately. Because good leadership isn't complicated. It's about small habits, clear communication, and better decisions repeated every day. I hope to see you in one of my workshops soon. Thank you very much.